welcome to Debbie's Delights. Tonight we are going to make a Debbie's Delight. It's I always want to call it popcorn chicken, but it's actually potato chip chicken. But it is something that will blow your mind, actually. You can serve this at a Christmas dinner party or a picnic or just watch. So anyway, first thing we want to do is take your pan. And I've got Devin here today, so he's going to take some home too. So we're giving him a to-go pan. But I want to spray them both with my Dollar Spray. And that's just because it makes cleanup so much easier. So we got that done. And set that aside. And what I have done is I have taken chicken breast and I have cut them up and kind of make sure they're not too thick. So they're about that size, and then I cut them in half. So right here I have about a pound, 2 pounds of chicken that I've cut up. So what we're gonna do is I've got mayonnaise here in a bowl, and then I have got some potato chips. So I like to use Lay's potato chips. I've tried other potato chips, but Lay's seem to be about the best. So what I did is I stuck them here in a Ziploc bag. And make sure you got a good Ziploc bag, you get the air out of it. So push it out just like that. So I have got this, I don't know where this came from, but I've had it for ages. It's a rolling pin to make bread. Actually, I used to make pies with it, but just crush it up. So have a little sucker. And then I like to flip it over. Oh, it looks pretty crushed. Okay, well there we go. So let's just cross our fingers that we crunched up enough. I think we have. So this was half a bag of that size bag of Lay's potato chips. I'm gonna open this bag up, and to it I am adding shredded Parmesan cheese. So we're gonna dump. This is a 6-ounce bag. I'm gonna put about 4 ounces of shredded cheese in here. And then I'm just gonna take my hand and like mix it up, shake it up. Really shake it up. So you just wanna make sure you get it really mixed up. Let's see here. There we go. Okay, so we got that. And then I have got mayonnaise. So I've got a bowl of mayonnaise, and what I'm going to do is kind of production line. So chicken, let's go this way. So I've taken some chicken, and I'm just going to put it in the mayonnaise. Oh, preheat your oven to 375. So this gets a little messy, but that's all right. So we just put it in the potato chips and just roll it up and then stick it in your pan. Easy, easy, easy peasy. People always, when I make this, I want to know the recipe, and I just start laughing because I don't want to tell them because it's so easy. And you want to think that you worked for hours on this, and really it took you like 2 seconds. So just keep doing this. I like to serve this with broccoli and cheese, but it's chicken, so whatever you want, a salad. It's just kind of like fried chicken, but it's not. A lot easier and it's good. It makes it tender. So just keep rolling. Just like that. So I hope you all have had a great summer. It's about over. I know, I'm in Fort Collins, Colorado, and the kids all went back to school yesterday. Sorta, you know how that is. Half art, but anyway. Let's just keep making chicken. Alright, I'm just gonna do it like this and not fill the whole thing up because that one's just for my husband and I, and now I've got Devin and Jesse, and I'll make sure we have enough chicken for them. So chicken, And holy smokes, we're gonna run out of potato chips. I got it. Okay, well, let's see how far we can get here. If you guys have anything special that you would like made, just text me or email me or whatever it is you do on that YouTube thing.
Write in the comments.
Write in the comments. Write in the comments something you would like me to make. And we'll figure out a way to make it. Okay, well, I got it. Hold on 1 second. I'm gonna have to crush up some more potato chips. Darn. Whoops. Okay, potato chips. Okay, so I just put some more potato chips in the bag and chopped them up and then putting the remainder of the cheese in there. Let's mix this sucker up. So now we got way too much. That's all right. I know, buddy. So let's just get the rest of this. So let's just put a whole bunch of coating on it. That's what we're gonna do.
You can pour it on top when it's done.
Yeah, that's good that way. Okay. So I've got this extra potato chip and parm, so I'm just gonna sprinkle it on the top here a little bit. Smush it so it sticks a little. That'll make it extra crunchy. So, okay, I have got to wash my hands. So we're gonna just stick it in the oven for 45 minutes. Just watch it, but 45 minutes will usually do the trick. Again, I've got my baking stone. I'm gonna stick it on that. And I'm gonna take this one here and I'm gonna stick it right next to it. And it is now 140, so
225.
someday I'm gonna learn how to do this.
225.
225?
Yeah.
So we'll check it at 215, but probably come out at 225. So stay tuned. We'll be back in a little bit and go make yourself a salad or whatever you want to go with what you think is going to be fried chicken, but it's not. So anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Love you guys. The time has come, the walrus said. So these got big. Out. Got crispy chicken. There you go. Okay, so let's just see what, so this is a to-go package. This is hot, but I went to the, whoops. Let's see how it is. See how crispy? This actually could have been out of the oven like 5 minutes earlier, but it's okay. It's still really good, but just, I'll show you how moist it is. It's like, maybe a little too hot. I like to have some salt, a little salt. Okay, I gotta blow on it. Good. Really good. This is my favorite part, the potato chip. Hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe. Please, 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 please. Tell all your friends, enjoy, I love you. Hope you have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Bye, guys.